At Not Solar Electric, we offer a variety of solar kits designed by real engineers for everything from cabins to EVs to backup power. But let's be honest, choosing the right kit can be tricky. So, how do you choose the solar kit that actually fits your needs? Let's walk through the process. Start by asking one simple question. What exactly do I want to power? A shed? An off-grid home? An electric vehicle? Emergency essentials during an outage? Your answer will shape everything from battery size to inverter type. Next, get real about your energy usage. Every device draws power differently, and every solar kit includes components sized to handle that specific load. Voltage, amp hours, inverter rating, the works. Pick the wrong kit and you could end up with too little power, or paying for things you don't need. That's why we always recommend working with one of our solar application engineers. Even a quick call can save you time, money, and a lot of head scratching. Now, if you've already found a kit you like, but it's missing something, or maybe it includes extra gear you don't need, no problem. You can use our requisition list tool to customize. Just copy the itemized components into your cart, make a few tweaks, and build your own ideal setup. Kits are a great starting point, especially when they're designed by a team that's been doing this for over 45 years. But no two setups are alike, so whether you're brand new or solar savvy, let us help you get it right. Give us a call or dive into your own specs with our online tools. We'll meet you wherever you are and make sure your solar kit fits you. Now Solar Electric, trusted solar solutions built for the long haul.